Hi guys, I'm Chia, and today we have Jess from Summer in Bloom here to share with us her full range.
Yes,
so, how are you feeling?
So good. It's been a little while coming, but I am so glad to be able to give or bring everybody a full functional range of skincare products.
And today we're here to talk about one of our personal favorites, Bounce Back. So Bounce Back is an intensive hydration gel.
Yes, which we have formulated for all skin types with the main function being hydration.
Because the hydration gel is oil-free, it's really good if you have combination skin, oily skin, or dry skin.
It helps to maintain the skin's moisture barrier and also helps reduce inflammation. I use Bounce Back at the end of the day. We're usually out and about or out on the boat doing activities and things, so I need that hydration at the end of the day. I've had sunblock on, my skin's been in the sun all day, and if I put Bounce Back on at night, that just rehydrates my skin. Like I get out of the shower and I leave some water on my face, so I dab it slightly with the towel so it's not drenched. And then I apply Bounce Back, and that helps to actually spread that Bounce Back evenly.
I have noticed that when I use Bounce Back at night, in the morning my face feels super plump and like I've had a sheet mask over my face for the whole night or something. Yeah. But like the texture of Bounce Back is really thin and it's really light, so you don't feel any... I feel like I said that in the right hands video as well.
That is what this range is designed for. Like you want it to feel good as well, and you don't want it to feel caked on your face, but you want it to do what it's meant to do, you know, and this is designed to hydrate your skin.
So it's really important to stay hydrated because it takes water from the inside of your body, so drink lots of water. But after using it for a while, I found that the best application for Bounce Back is spraying a mist after application.
It actually helps to draw water from within the layers of the skin and also from the outer layers.
So if you suffer from inflammatory issues such as acne, breakouts, or redness, Bounce Back has some really awesome ingredients to help with that.
So to deal with inflammation, we use 2 ingredients, chamomile and calendula, but most importantly, we use one of the most powerful antioxidants called astaxanthin.
And that is actually what gives it its orange color.
Bounce Back is incredibly hydrating. It's formulated with betaine derived from sugar beet, Manuka Honey, and hyaluronic acid, and these all play an important role in drawing water to where it is required. These will also help to restore your skin's natural moisture and elasticity.
So whether or not you are out in the sun all day or you kind of just stay indoors like me, Bounce Back is really good for all purposes.
So Bounce Back fits perfectly into our full range, and Summer in Bloom is about creating simple but functional products. No matter who you are or what you do, Summer in Bloom is here to support the lifestyle that you choose.
And this is the perfect product to use at the end of the day for that perfect hydrated skin in the morning.